Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is mensuration. In it we will study how to find the perimeter and area of some plane figures, and then surface area and volume of solid figures. In your lower classes you have already studied how to find the perimeter of triangle, rectangle, square, and how to find their area. So let us review some formula which you have learned in lower classes. First of all, we will see what is meant by perimeter and area of a plane figure. For any closed plane figure, the perimeter is the distance around its boundary. अगर हमारे पास कोई क्लोज प्लेन फिगर है तो उसके पैरामीटर का मतलब क्या होता है कि उसकी बाउंड्री की लेंथ, एंड इट्स एरिया मीन्स द रीजन विच इज कवर्ड बाय इट. कितना रीजन वो ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है वो उसका एरिया कहलाएगा. तो हमने कुछ फॉर्मूले छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़े हैं, तो उसको एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. एरिया के फॉर्मूले: suppose we have a rectangle with length a and b, then area of rectangle is given by a cross b, length into breadth, that is a cross b square units. जो भी यूनिट दी होगी लेंथ और ब्रेथ की वो यहाँ आ जाएगी आपके. If we have a square with a side a, since all the sides of a square are equal, suppose the side is a, then area of square is side square, so it is a into a, that is a square. अगर हमारे पास ट्राइंगल है विद अ बेस b और उस पर अल्टीट्यूड जो अपोजिट वर्टेक्स से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं उसकी लेंथ सपोज h है, then area of triangle is half b into s, half base into altitude. If we have an equilateral triangle means जिसकी तीनों साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं, सपोज उसकी साइड a है, then area of equilateral triangle is √3/4 a square. If we have a parallelogram means जिसकी दोनों पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल हों और इक्वल भी होती हों. सपोज इसके अब एक साइड हमने b से रिप्रेजेंट करी है जिसे हम बेस कहेंगे, और उस पर अपोजिट वर्टेक्स से जो हमने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करा, सपोज उसकी हाइट h है, उसकी लेंथ h है, मीन्स ये उसका अल्टीट्यूड हो गया. देन एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज बेस इंटू अल्टीट्यूड, दैट इज b इंटू h. इन अ सर्किल इफ वी हैव अ रेडियस r, देन एरिया ऑफ सर्किल इज पाई r स्क्वायर. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रापेजियम is half a plus b into h, where a and b they are the length of parallel sides and h is its height. Then area of any general quadrilateral. Suppose we have any quadrilateral with a diagonal AC, and on this diagonal we have drawn two perpendiculars from the opposite vertices, and the length of suppose these two perpendiculars they are a and b, then area of quadrilateral is area of this triangle ABC, and that will be equal to half AC into B, plus area of upper one triangle, its area is half AC into A. So when you add the two, half AC will be taken common, and we are within bracket we have A plus B. Area of rhombus is also a type of parallelogram. So if we are given base and its altitude, then we can use this formula also for the area of rhombus, that is base into altitude. Or if we are given the length of its diagonals as d1 and d2, then area of rhombus is half d1 cross d2. That's all for today. Thank you.